I'm at home in Delhi, uh, self-quarantine, self-isolation because Dushant, the MP, who came into contact with the singer who tested positive. I believe they met somewhere in Lucknow. But I was sitting next to the BJP MP at the transport committee meeting, and I was with him for about almost 2 hours. That day next to him, I don't remember shaking his hand, but I was sitting next to him, but thankfully I was wearing my mask. So, as a matter of abundant caution, I'm at home here in Delhi, living room and bedroom. My wife is in another room. My daughter is in another room because I was with Dushant for an hour and a half for that meeting. Stay safe.
So that's why I said we need to be responsible citizens. And if we have come from abroad, if we have come from a country where an outbreak of COVID is happening, we need to self quarantine ourselves. If we have symptoms, report to the health authorities, get ourselves tested rather than going into a crowd and being the cause of spreading the disease. We've had time because this has been happening since January, and the government has been very proactive, and a lot of steps have been taken in terms of improving our healthcare facilities, training doctors, getting equipment, and getting isolation wards ready, getting ICUs equipped, not only in major hospitals but at all state level and district hospitals, so that if an outbreak occurs in any part of the country, we can upscale our resources to manage these cases. So the threat for community transmission is serious because of the number of cases that we are seeing. And I think it becomes even more serious if people don't understand the responsibility of isolation, of staying at home, of avoiding crowded areas, and not having parties or having big programs where there is a crowd. Those are activities which act as a catalyst for infection to spread. We've seen this in South Korea, where because of a large crowd in a church, there was a huge number of cases. So we have to be very proactive and responsible to prevent this from happening. And we need to do this by simple measures like social distancing, not going to places where there is a crowd, regular hand washing. If everyone in India takes this pledge of doing this, I'm sure we can prevent a big outbreak from happening in our country.